Modern Real Estate Practice, page 33. Housing was not the only area subject to discrimination. The U.S. Supreme Court's 1896 decision in Plessy v. Ferguson, which involved segregated railway cars, upheld racial segregation in public facilities. The separate but equal doctrine. A series of court decisions and federal laws between 1948 and 1968 attempted to address inequities in the provision of public housing and other services that were the result of Plessy. Only certain aspects of the housing market, such as federally funded housing programs, could be addressed, however. The U.S. Supreme Court did eventually issue decisions that rejected racial discrimination. In 1954, Plessy was overturned by the court's decision in Brown versus Board of Education, which held that separate schools for black and white students were inherently unconstitutional. Finally, in 1968, the court in Jones versus Mayer held that there was a constitutional basis for the Civil Rights Act of 1866. In the 13th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which prohibits slavery. The 1866 law prohibits all racial discrimination in the sale or rental of publicly or privately held property without exception, whether facilitated by a real estate professional or sold or rented by the owner, which race is involved. No exceptions apply. In subsequent cases, the U.S. Supreme Court has expanded the definition of the term race